you found out we weren't alone, would that frighten you?
Good morning, Kansas City. Let's take a look at today. Let's. Today's.
People have a right to know the truth. It belongs to 7 billion people.
What are you gonna do?
Full disclosure to the whole world, all at once.
People keep wandering, encountering the unknown. They are starved for the truth.
They're coming! They're coming!
Do you think there could be others?
Why would he make such a vast universe? Yet save it only for us?
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am?
The toilet's leaking. I'll give you an extra 100.
What'd she say?
She wants us to fix the toilet.
We're piano tuners. We fix pianos.
200.
500 will talk. Harry Forward, piano tune and repair. This is Nicky. He is my apprentice. He has a hearing condition, but believe it or not, he's a virtuoso.
Virtuoso, huh?
Maybe you can inspire him.
Okay, thank you, Harry.
Close your eyes. What's this?
C, F sharp. E7 flat 9. F sharp, G, A sharp, B over D sharp.
You ever take those out?
No.
I get hyperacusis. I'm allergic to loud noises.
Hello? You know how long you're gonna be? It's loud.
As long as it takes. Unless you can open the safe. Audrey, if you want to make real money, give me a call.
Harry Horowitz.
The outstanding balance is $36,000. What are you gonna get for money?
I'll figure it out. I got you something.
Don't do anything stupid. You understand?
Who are you? Hey!
Forget it. I'm done.
Harry is a very special man. Having your girlfriend, she has beautiful hands. What happened to you tonight? Open the safe. Open the safe. Open the safe.
I'm just a piano tuner, man.
Last night, I met this girl called Emily.
So when are you seeing her again?
Don't know, I messaged her. It won't send.
It's missing a digit.
Do you mean it's missing a digit? It's not funny.
You have 3 weeks left to prove that romantic attachments cause madness.
He's the case study I've been waiting for. I'll help you find her.
Why would you want to do that? Alright, mate. I'm looking for this girl called Emily.
I didn't get any information, but I got us free drinks.
I've got an idea. I'm going to send an email to every Emily at the university. Evening, ladies.
Ooh.
Yeah. I'm probably made that Emily's.
I need to talk about this email, dude.
Is he a sexy pest or a sex pest? If Emily's listening, what do you want to say?
Well, I wrote her a song.
We're getting a song!
Sing it.
Uno mas, thanks.
You're Johnny Cage. I loved Citizen Cage. I was a kid.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
They should do a reboot.
Nobody wants that. That went out in the 90s. Johnny Cage, you have been chosen to fight.
Tell me you're not some crazy fans. How are you doing that?
Are you coming or what?
Where the hell am I?
It's a fighting tournament. To the death.
That's gotta be against the rules. Can't just go around killing people.
It's called Mortal Kombat for a reason.
This is a war for the fate of your world.
You guys in or what? I'm not some champion. I don't have transformer arms. Or shoot lightning bolts on them. This has got nothing to do with me. I'm an actor.
I find you annoying.
Not the face.
It's time to become the hero you were meant to be. All right, you big ugly freak. It's showtime. Get over here!
Only the strong survive. Are you kidding me? You don't have any powers?
Just incredibly handsome.
We've all heard stories of the Mandalorian bounty hunter and a child.
I only hunt Imperial war criminals. I'll take out every bad guy in your deck of cards.
This isn't about revenge. It's about preventing another war.
Before going into harm's way, check your armor first.
We're protecting everything the rebellion fought for.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Hey! Strap in.
We need a professional.
Hang on.
What happens when you're not there to protect him?
You good? I'll be right behind you. Go! Go!
Mandalorian, you will suffer. Then it will be his turn.
Monstrous. The old protect the young. And then the young. Protect the old. It's time.
Are you scared? You should be.
Good job, baby.
This is the way.
If there's one secret to my happiness, it's taking care of sheep. Each day I read out loud to them mysteries, whodunits.
I like to pretend that they follow along.
But they're only sheep.
Ah! Why would he stop there? He was just about to say who the killer was.
Wake up! Our shepherd was murdered. And we shall solve the crime. The people in the will are always the suspects.
There is $30 million.
And we have our motive.
Who killed George? What are they hiding?
Every time something happens with this case, there they are.
I want to bash it! I want to bash it so bad!
Yeah, you. Don't you know you're missing out? You could be sitting there earning points. Wanna know how? Well, let's take a look. Welcome to Odeon Extras, where points come with every purchase, along with extra discounts every Monday, extra birthday treats, extra rewards as you level up, extra upgrades on food and drink, and the best part? It's extra easy and totally free. The rewards go Odeon and on and on with Odeon Extras. Join fast for free.
You can ask Google anything, however long, however many follow-ups. It's a whole new way to search. But maybe wait until after the film. Please turn your phone off now and enjoy the film.